This phone booth is so dark. I don't know if I dialed the right number.
This is the international operator. How may I help you?
Oh, great. I would like to make a collect call to India, please.
What is the number you want to call?
The area code is 91, and the phone number is 044263848877.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Sylvia.
I am sorry. Could you spell that for me, please?
Sure. It's S like in Sanyo, or Sherry. Y. L. V. I. A.
And who would you like to talk to?
Anyone who answers. It doesn't matter. It will be either my mom or my dad.
Okay. Please hold on and I will connect you. Alright, go ahead, ma'am. You are now connected.
Thank you so much. What problem does the woman have at the beginning? A. She cannot see very well. B. She dials the wrong number. C. She doesn't have any change.
What does the woman use? A. A pay phone. B. A cell phone. C. A phone at home.
Who does the woman wish to speak to? A. Son. B. Anyone. C. Her parents.
Why will the woman not have to pay for the telephone call? A. She is calling a long distance. B. She cannot see the coin slot. C. The people she's calling will pay.
What is the woman trying to do? A. Call her family. B. Find a phone booth. C. Look up a phone number.